Imagine your lawn, even in the depths of winter, quietly preparing for its most stunning spring ever. What if I told you there are specific, easy actions you can take right now in December to safeguard your turf against winter's harsh chill? Join me to discover the secrets to a thriving spring lawn long before the first daffodil appears. There are a few simple things you can do right now in December to protect your turf from winter's icy grip. First, keep that lawn clean. Frozen leaves and debris trap moisture and can cause mold faster than Rudolph on a midnight cookie run. That's where Hackmann Lawn comes in. Their winter cleanup keeps your grass breathing easy all season long. Next, give your yard a little winter TLC. Removing frozen leaves, clearing drainage paths, and preventing compacted snow piles helps your lawn wake up healthy when spring arrives. And when your lawn sleeps well through winter, oh, just wait. When the daffodils pop, your grass will be greener than an elf's envy. So if you want a spring lawn that makes the whole neighborhood jolly, give Hackmann Lawn a call. Ho, 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 and happy holidays.